Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. This is a requested video on how I had made the extra large coin envelopes in my last video, and I made the envelopes which I'll just show you. So these are the ones that I've made. I made these extra large size envelope as a packaging way for some of my projects that I had made that were incomplete or complete, or the ones that I use as samples and for my tutorials. And I made a surprise mystery packs for my Etsy store, so you could have purchase these if you wanted to. Now these packs are just about all sold out. I've got 2 packs left, and I just want to say thank you to all of those that had purchased the surprise packs. Really appreciate it, and I hope you also enjoy the lovely goodies that are inside each of these envelopes. So these are the ones that I've already packaged, and I've already packaged a few more. So these are what they look like. And it also comes with a coordinating mini library pocket as well. So I'm going to show you the measurement to put one of these together, so you got it to coordinate with your extra large coin envelope. And I made this size because I wanted it to fit inside the packaging seal bag that I have. So I made it so that it would fit in one of these when I package and ship them out. So it fitted perfectly. So this is my measurements for my envelopes. So I'm just going to put these away. Just want to show you. I'll also link down below the goodies that I'm putting together to package in here as well. But I'm also going to have some more Destash packages as well coming in the next as we go along. So I'm just sorting everything out, and I've got some more destashing to do. So if you did miss out on these surprise packs, I will have a few more coming. But I'll just show you how it looks like. Now these envelopes have a Velcro closure that I've used, and I'll also show you how I put that together as well. It's a great size. You can fit documents in here, anything you want. You can fit a folio, a traveler's notebook, a journal, or your planner, monthly planners or weekly planners, or just something to use as a packaging idea for your goodies. And this was the coordinating library pocket. So I'm going to give you the measurements, and all you need is one piece of 12 by 12 paper to make the envelope. So that's a good thing too. So you can use your whole 12 by 12 paper pad. You can make a bunch of these, and then you can have these for craft fairs. You could package a few of these. You can use these for a Happy Mail or anything you like. So I've got here a 12 by 12 paper. If you're using a directional pattern, one part of your coin envelope will be the wrong way, sort of upside down. Let me just show you what I mean. This is a patterned one going one direction. You can see it's upside down on one side, but the closure is the right way up. So if that doesn't bother you, you can still go ahead and use your paper that's non-directional. Sorry, that is directional. But this one here, I'm not even sure. I think this is a directional pattern, but it doesn't worry me. So I'm just going to turn it around with the print facing down. And on one side of your 12 by 12 paper, you're going to score 3/4 inches all the way to the bottom. So 3/4 inches and 6.5 inches all the way to the bottom. And then we're going to turn this around to the right, and we're going to do another score line again at 3/4 inches, again all the way to the bottom, and 9 inches. And that's all there is for our scoring. And I'm just going to... Okay, what we're going to do now is you have this piece here on the left side. We're going to remove that piece because we don't need that. I'm just going to try and do it as straight as I can. And this will be another one of the envelopes I will be using for the surprise pack. And then when you come to the right side, you have another piece that's like this. We're going to also remove this piece by cutting along that score line and across. So I'm just going to remove that. And we're going to put this piece to the side. This will be for your library pocket. That will coordinate with the large coin envelope. So that's the piece. We'll keep that to the side. So this is how it will look so far. Now we're going to come down to the bottom piece here. We're going to also remove this piece here by cutting up to there and across that score line. And we can remove that because we won't need this piece. And we're just going to cut up. We're going to come along to this little piece here on the bottom corner here. We're going to cut up straight. And then I'm just going to cut down at a slight angle coming down to where the score line crosses over. So I'm just going to angle cut that down that way. And then you've got that little piece with the angle shape. And what I'll do next, I'm going to corner around these two corners. This is the closure of the envelope. If you don't want to corner around the corners, you don't have to do that. I'm just find it nice, it's neater to do that. And what we'll do next, I also want to corner around these two corners, but I can't corner around it with the paper this way. So what I'll do is I'm going to fold this piece over, and it'll just sort of get me ready to assemble it anyway. And we'll also fold over the other side over across too. So this one here, we can fold this over, and you can see it already looks like it's going to create a coin envelope. And you'll see that the paper doesn't line up with the edge. That is fine, and that's intentionally did that on purpose. I wanted it to have that sort of look on the side here. And now I can go down to the bottom and corner around that. So I can do that now. And I'm just going to fold that up so it'll be easy for me when I glue. So that is pretty much ready to glue, and it's done. So I'm just going to open everything up. I'm going to add glue along the edge here all the way down, and some good strong glue. If you want to know what glue I've used, there is a link below this video that will take you to one of my videos, and I'll show you what glue I used. And you can also read the comments below that video from other crafters that they also recommend their glues that they're using, because the glue that I use is an Australian glue. So I'm not too sure if they actually supply that internationally. But if you're not from Australia, you can have a look at the comments, and other crafters or my subscribers will also recommend their glue. So now I'm just going to add glue down to the bottom part of this flap here to close the bottom part. I'm just going to glue the edges. And bring that up and glue that down. And that's all done. You can create a notch here if you wanted to. So you can do that and create a little notch. And now you can fold this over, and that becomes your closure. And you've got yourself a nice large coin size envelope using 1 12 by 12 paper. Now I'm just going to add some Velcro for the closure. If you haven't got any Velcro, you can get these off eBay or Amazon or anywhere. You can get like a sheet of these Velcro dots. I think this is a 10 mil in size. So there is, you get one part. So I'm just going to grab one. I'm going to just place it somewhere in the middle, just below the closures, just somewhere like that. I'll grab the other side, and I usually just put that on top of it, and that'll sort of stick to that, and that's the sticky part. I'll just bring that down, press it, and that should adhere to the coin envelope, and that will line it up for me already. So I just go like that, and it's already adhered down the bottom here. So that's how I've done that. So we've got the envelope all done. Now we've got the other piece for the library pocket, and so just a simple score line. I'm just going to have a look at the pattern. I want to be able to see a little bit more of the pattern for the front. So when I fold it up, I want to see that. So I'm going to lay it down this way, and then it's 5.5 inches in length. You're just going to score at 1 3/4 of an inch. Just one score line, and I'm going to point around all 4 corners. Fold it up at that score line. And just applying a little bit of glue to both sides. And I can bring that up and then glue that down. And now that gives me a library pocket to coordinate with the extra large coin envelope. And if you want, you can even glue this down to the front and have a pocket in front of your coin envelope. You can also have it at the back here if you wanted to do that. Then you've got these extra pieces. You can cut it up and make little fishtail banners and use these to embellish your projects. You know, you can even do something with this and just decorate the front with it, or use it as a belly band. Anything you like with that. But this is the extra large coin envelope that I use, and the measurements. So I hope this was an easy tutorial for you to follow. And these are the packs that I'm going to be shipping out, and I've got a few more to do. I think I had about 20 of these packs, but I've got some more destashing to do. So looking forward to showing you some more destash packaged items. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.